Hello, my name is Chloe Foster. I am a counsellor and a trainer for Sussex Rainbow Counselling, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about my trainings that I'm running now with online events. They are online trainings for counsellors who are looking to build a bit more confidence in working with lesbian, gay, bisexual, trans, and queer clients. And one of these workshops that I'm running is about um, sexuality, gender, and sex, and looking at the basics and thinking about what are the differences between these things. We'll look at the key terms, the terminology, and build that confidence so that you're feeling a bit more ready to work with those words that are popping up all the time. We'll do a bit of time reflecting on our own gender and sexuality. Um, and we'll look at the gender unicorn model, which is great at looking at different spectrums around gender and sexuality and gender expression, gender identity, and all of this terminology that I'll explain to you in the workshop. It's going to be really great, really engaging, really fun. Because we're working online, we can still do group work. The platform we use allows us to do virtual groups, so you get to meet other counsellors and also work with me and ask lots of questions. They're 2.5-hour workshops, so they're really accessible and great if you're busy in your practice to get that little bit of CBD, without having to leave your home. And I look forward to meeting you if you want to join us. Okay, take care.